I've been attached with the feeling of waking up with you by my side.
Look at me. Look. Na kung saan sobrang ganda nga dito ng ating Belle. At ayon pa nga guys sa caption ng Mega Magazine ay at eto nga guys, sa mga nakasama dito ng ating Belle Mariano sa Make It Big, Make It Mega. At sabi pa dito ay, you can never question or doubt the influence and power of Belle Mariano when it clears as water with the way she's associated with big and influential names like Michelle D, Shaira Luna, Kim Jones, and Amina Alunan. This is something you can't make up. Hashtag Belle Mariano, hashtag Don Belle. Ayon pa nga guys dito, in an exclusive interview with Mega Entertainment, Belle Mariano shared a few details on and solemn as well as future artists she would like to work with in the future. Naumani nga agad ito ng maraming komento at pinag-uusapan na dahil grabe nga talaga at sobra talagang nakaka-proud itong ating Belle Mariano. Kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more updates sa ating Donnie at Belle sa mga susunod pa na ayuda.